Journal Finder is a very specific and specialized Maly Library database. The Journal Finder database contains the titles of all the periodicals, including journals, magazines, and newspapers, to which Maly Library has full text access. Here's a scenario for when you might need Journal Finder. You are reading an assigned article for class. The author includes a citation for a different article that informed her thoughts in the article you are currently reading. You think this other article will be a good source for the paper you are writing later in the semester and want to take a look. How will you know if the library has the journal in which this article is published? Journal Finder will tell you if we have online or print access to this journal. To use Journal Finder, start on MTSM's homepage and click on the menu icon. Under Resources, click on Maly Library. In the Start Research Here box, click on Journal Finder. In the search box, type the name of the journal you seek, then click Search. Your results will list any periodicals that match your search terms. In your results, click the plus sign next to Full Text Access to show where you can access the journal in full text. In this case, U.S. Catholic Historian is available in two places. The first is the print periodical collection located in the library basement. You can scan or copy articles from the library's print journals. Note that the dates indicate which volumes are available in this location. The print periodicals collection has issues of U.S. Catholic Historian from 1981 to the present. The second location is through one of the library's online research databases, Humanities Full Text. Note the dates here indicate only issues from 2010 to the present are available online. Click the link to launch the database. The new window will show you the publication details and available issues of U.S. Catholic Historian within the Humanities Full Text database. At the right, click on the hyperlinked years to browse the issues available in full text. The sought article is available in full text here. Return to the publication details for U.S. Catholic Historian. If you are uncertain of the year you need, or simply want to do a keyword search within this journal, click the Search Within This Publication link. The keyword search box that appears should be populated with the name of the journal. Leave this information in the search box. Type the word "and" after the name of the journal, followed by your search terms. Click Search. The same article appears here in full text in the results list. Journal Finder is a useful tool that quickly determines whether you have online or print access to a journal. If you need help using Journal Finder, come to the library or schedule an appointment with a librarian.